Welcome to the Aerospace Aviation Manufacturing Marketing Benchmarks for 2026. Powered by CU Finder, this report breaks down the digital marketing metrics that matter most for aerospace aviation manufacturing professionals worldwide. Device distribution shows mobile at 26.0%, desktop at 68.5%, and tablet at 5.5%. Mobile optimization is essential for reaching your audience effectively in this industry. For engagement, average session duration is 14 minutes with 3.8 pages per session. The bounce rate averages 52%. Traffic sources reveal organic search drives 48% of all traffic. Direct traffic accounts for 30%. Paid search brings 2.0% and social contributes 3.0%. For pay-per-click, Google Ads CPC averages $4.85. Facebook ads cost NNA per click. The average cost per acquisition is 135 SARs. Conversion rates show an overall rate of 2.8%. Retention metrics show a 94% customer retention rate. On social media, LinkedIn leads at 2% engagement. TikTok follows at 0%. Instagram is at 0%. Email marketing shows an average open rate of 24.5%. Click-through rate is 2.9%. Key takeaways for aerospace aviation manufacturing. Mobile traffic at 26.0% makes mobile first essential. LinkedIn leads social engagement at 2%. Email open rates of 24.5% show strong audience engagement, and organic search drives 48% of all traffic. Thank you for exploring the Aerospace Aviation Manufacturing Benchmarks 2026. For more data-driven insights and to find your customers faster, visit CU Finder at qfinder.io.